I am on the search for the best hamburger in Chiang Mai, Thailand. And so now I've decided to go on a hunt and find the best one. I've done some research and located 3 or 4 restaurants that may have what I'm looking for. So join me on this adventure to track down the absolutely best hamburger, and I hope it's as good as the United States, in Chiang Mai, Thailand. Kind of styled like a Hard Rock Cafe. Got all sorts of album memorabilia. Really kind of a neat motif. This isn't mine, but my wife got this like massive, crazy looking hot dog. I've got to show it to you. It is just, to give you a comparison to my hand, it's like nuts. And it's got all kinds of sauce and stuff on it. My burger has arrived and it looks absolutely fantastic. It is served on like this wooden, like a log that's been sawed off thing, which is really cool. And then it's got the fries, onion rings, and look at this burger. It is nuts. So that was a filling burger. I got the American Pie burger, so it had like bacon and onions and peanut butter, believe it or not, on there, which I was skeptical of, but it turned out to be really good. The quality of the beef was excellent. I would probably say I like the toppings on the Duke burger better, but the actual meat quality, plus I was able to choose how I wanted it cooked, which was medium, was really good. So it was 210 baht. It was more than I could eat. I could not finish my plate. So it was a really good burger. Back in Chiang Mai, Thailand, in the Neiman area, on the still quest to find the best cheeseburger in the Neiman area of Chiang Mai, Thailand. Down these little back alley soys to try to find a restaurant that I had found some information about online. And it's called The Beast. If Google Maps is right, it should be right down here. And Beast Burger, open every day from 11 o'clock till 10 o'clock. So I had to wait to cross the road so I don't get killed by a motorcycle. I guess that lights up at night, but they got all the plastic wrap on it. Really, really modern. Here you get a buzzer to alert you when your food is ready. So we're very high speed, high technical. Okay, so I went with the blue cheese burger. Oh goodness, that looks good. And upgraded to some curly fries. So the whole thing was, I think 315 baht. I'll put the conversion of whatever that it totals up to. That included the water though. That wasn't just for the burger and the fries. It was 50 baht extra to upgrade to the curly fries. And then she got the bacon cheeseburger with the curly fries. So we'll try it, see how it is. So the Beast Burger was really good. I really enjoyed it. The blue cheese was delicious. The curly fries that were on the side, I don't know if any of y'all have ever eaten at an Arby's out of the United States, the roast beef place. They're identical to it. It's indistinguishable from the ones that I had there. Huh, it kind of looks like it's a little dark, but great burger, really delicious. Thoroughly enjoyed it. It's a little bit more pricey than out of the other two burger places that I went, it was the most expensive by far. And the cheapest for the same quality and stuff was the Rock Me Burger. So out of all three, at the end of the day, the one that I liked the best overall was definitely the Rock Me Burger. It had the best bun, and the meat was just slightly better than the Beast. So that's it. That's my thoughts on it. All three of them great options though. Excellent burgers. So you can, at the end of the day, get a really good burger here in Chiang Mai, Thailand that will satisfy your cravings if you're a burger fanatic like I am. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed.